We're in Gmail now, and this is the email you get from Pinpoint Eye when you choose the calendar update option. If we scroll down, there's a option there to use Google Sheets, and if you select that option, you get the CSV file immediately loaded into a Google Sheets document. Column A's got the address details. If we look at the description, there's a Google Map URL in there, and there's also the website for the property, and both of those items go into the calendar update event. We're changing the title here to make it more meaningful. Viewing's Longwell Green, and we put a date. Now these columns here, the date columns, they must be formatted as dates, and the time columns formatted as times. The rest is very straightforward and simple. All you have to do is enter the start dates and the end dates. The end dates are the same as the start date, so you can just replicate those in there and then put the times in. And then it's just a case of downloading this spreadsheet as a CSV file. So if we go to the file menu option, there's a download option there for downloading it as a CSV file. We're in Google Calendar now. If you look on the left, you can see we've created a separate calendar called Andrews Longwell Green. If you look at the bottom, there's a little plus icon there, and that allows you to create a separate calendar. We'll have a quick look at the calendar. There are the details for it, just very brief. Now what we do is to select the settings icon at the top, select settings, and then in the settings page we look for the import export on the left hand side. Now in here we select our calendar, Andrews Longwell Green, that's the calendar we created, and then it's just a case of getting the CSV file that we downloaded in our downloads folder, search for it, there it is, we've got it, select it, and now we can just press the import button and we can see that 5 events have been imported into Google Calendar. It's really quickly done. Now you've got all these events in there. If we look at one, it's got the map URL in there, so click on that. So when you send this to the customer, they've got everything they need. Instant pinpoint navigation to the property, providing you've entered it accurately. It's got the postcode. Then the other link, if we look back, is the website address for the property, so they can look at the property details as well, all from one calendar update. So this appointment can be shared in an email with your customer. Here we're reusing the spreadsheet, so it can be used multiple times. We've entered 3 new appointment dates, and we're just downloading that again as another CSV file. And then it's just a case of going back into our Google Calendar, back into the settings menu, where we import the second CSV file, get the right calendar, select it from our downloads folder, there it is, and we got it. So they've immediately been imported. If we go across, we can see them there at the bottom. All quickly done.